Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Seva Gurukulam online classes. We are coming to the last topic of this lesson on arithmetic progression. I think most of you enjoyed it, right? Some of you may be slowly picking up. I'm sure all of you will understand it, and hard work you have to do by doing all the homeworks. Now, what we have studied so far, we will just glance once. Introduction to number system. When you say number system, there are different kinds of number. We say natural numbers, square numbers, cube numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, and so on. So, this all we have studied in the previous classes. In that specialization, we have studied about progression, arithmetic progression, where there is a definite difference between the two terms. We call them as terms. And if there is a constant difference between the two terms, we call it as progression, arithmetic progression. Of course, there are two more progressions which you will study later, called geometric progression and harmonic progression. But let us not worry about that now. Also, we have seen nth term of an AP, Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? A is the first term. A is called first term. And what is n? Number of terms. And what is D? Common difference. Common difference between two terms. What is Tn? Tn is nth term. That is last term, you can say, of the AP. What is AP? Not Andhra Pradesh. Of course, expansion of AP can be anything. Here we are referring to mathematics. So, we have arithmetic progression. Also, we have studied about some of the first n terms of an AP. If they are given in a series form, n by 2 into A plus L. What is A? A is called first term. What is L? L is called last term. What is N? N is called number of terms. So, if you are given with first term and last term, you can use this formula. So, Sn can also be written as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Again, n means number of terms, a is first term, d is common difference. Okay. Is it alright? It's just a glance into the previous syllabus. Now, coming to the home assignment, first question. Sum of the first 15 terms of an AP. Here a series is given. In that first term is 7, common difference is 5. How you got 5? 12 minus 7 is 5. 17 minus 12 is also equal to 5. So, like that. And number of terms they are given, n equals to 15. So, apply in the formula, n by 2 means 15 by 2, 2 into A plus 15 minus 1 into D. D is how much? 5. So, if you just apply, so this will be equal to so 15 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 14 into 5, that is 15 by 2 into 14 plus 70, that is 84. 15 by 2 into 84, 2 ones are 242s are, multiply. 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are 60 plus 3, it comes to 630. Very simple direct question. So you can try if you want. If you go on writing 15 terms, add all the terms, answer will be 630. So you must become expert now. Okay. So this is the answer to the first home assignment. Coming to second question. Sum of 3 consecutive terms in AP is 21. Product is 231. Find the 3 terms. It's a very peculiar question because it deals with 3 terms. So we will take it as we have done in the previous class. First term as A minus D, second as A, third as A plus D. So sum is given A minus D plus A plus A plus D. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Add all that, you get 21. And the product is given. What do you mean product means what? On the multiplication you get 231, that is given. Now for that we neither know A nor we know D. So A also don't know, D also did know. So you have to solve it. How to solve it? So for that, see here, plus D minus D cancels. A plus A plus A, how much? 3A is equal to 21. A is equal to 21 by 3, that is equal to 7. Use this here. See, this will be A into A minus D into A plus D. A square minus D square is equal to 231. Okay. Now what is A? A is 7. 7 into what is A square? 7 square minus D square is equal to 231. So bring this side. So 7 square is 49 minus D square, 7D square. So you have 49 minus D square into 7. If you multiply, how much you get? 7 into 49 minus D square is equal to 231, or you can bring that 7 that side. So divide by 7. This is 7, 3s are 21, 33 you get. Now bring this 33 this side. D squared is equal to, bring this side, and the 33 this side. 49 minus 33, that will be equal to 16. 9 minus 3 is 6 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So D square is equal to 16, or D is equal to plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4, because 4 square is also 16, minus 4 square also 16. So that is why you must write plus or minus. Using this you have to write the AP now. Suppose you take plus 4. So here D becomes 4 or minus 4. So if you take this series here, A minus D, A is 7, D will take positive. 7 minus 3, So 7 minus 4, 1. Second one, A, that is 7 only. Third one, 7 plus 4. So the series becomes 3, 7, 11. So that is the answer. One set. Second set, on minus 4 if you take, so minus 4, if you take minus of minus become plus. So 7 plus 4 becomes how much? 11. So first one becomes minus of minus become plus, 11 you have. A as usual, this is 7 minus 4, that is 3. So reverse. So set is 3, 7, 4 or 11, 7, 3. 3, 7, 11, sorry, 3, 7, 11 or 11, 7, 3. Is it alright? You have done it, I think. Some of you have done it because same type of problem you have worked out in the previous class. Now for today, sixth term of an AP is minus 10, that is T6. 10th term is T10, minus 26. Determine 15th term. So here A is not known. N is known, of course. D is not known. You have to find out A and D. How will you start it? In the given AP, we will take first term as A, common difference as D. Then Tn equal to T6 is given. Use that. A, first term don't know, plus N minus 1 into D. N is how much? Sixth term means 6. So A plus 5 is equal to minus 10. And in 10th term means T10, A plus 10 minus 1, this is N. So A plus N minus 1 into D is the formula. In that formula, A we don't know, 10 minus 1 means 9 into D. So second equation. Take these two equations and solve. How to solve? Suppose you subtract 1 from 2, what do you get? So equation 1 we will write below this only. A plus 9D is equal to minus 26. That is equation 2. Subtract. Subtracting equation number 2 from 1. These two cancels. This becomes minus 4D. This is minus of minus become plus 16. 26 minus 10 is 16. So D is equal to 16 minus 4, that is minus 4. Apply that in the equation given. Minus 4 you apply here. So this is given to be how much? T6 is given to be minus 10, no. So minus 10 is equal to A, don't know, plus N minus 1 into D. N minus 1, N is how much? 6 minus 1 into D how much? Minus 4. So A, this will be A, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 into minus 4, minus 20. So A becomes, therefore A is equal to minus 20, bring this side, becomes plus 20, 20 minus 10, that is 10. A is equal to 10, B is equal to minus 4. You can check here. A is 10 minus 5 into minus 4 minus 20. So, you will get it as 15th term they are asking A plus n minus 1 into d. N is 15. So, A is 10 we got. Write it here. And d how much? D is 4 you got. Minus 4. So, minus 4 into 14. This is 14 into minus 4. Minus 56. Answer will be minus 46. So, 15th term is equal to minus 46. Okay, happy? Okay, shall we go to next sum? Next sum will be find the sum of all natural numbers between 100 and 500 which are divisible by 8. Means the table of 8 you must tell. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. How many you know 8? All of you know. Good. You must know up to 20. 20 ones are 20 up to there. You must learn it. But here the question is between 100 and 500 only. That means starting will be 104. 8 13s are. So, and ending will be 496. That you have to take it. So, A becomes 104, first letter, and last will be 496. L it is called. And how to get D? Second term minus first term. 112 minus 104 becomes 8. Now substitute. Tn equals 496. That is last term 496 is equal to A 104 plus n when we don't know minus 1 into D 8. So 496 is equal to 104 plus this you simplify it as 8n minus 8. Writing down? Very happy. Come on. What will you do now? This means 8n 104 minus 8 becomes 96, right? 96 you bring this side. 496 minus 96. It will be 400. So, you get 8n is equal to 400, n is equal to 400 by 8, that is 50. So, find the number of terms. Number of terms is 50. Now, using this, you have to find the sum of all numbers. So, sum of all numbers means n by 2, n is 50 by 2, first number is 104, last number is 496. So, you have is 25 into 96 plus 4, 100. So, 496, 596, 600, 25 ones are 25 6 are 150, followed by 2 zeros. 15,000 you get. Okay. So, this here taken down. You must be fast in writing down. So, this is the required sum, that is the sum of divisible by 8, numbers divisible by 8 between 100 and 500. You can check up and find out if it is true or not. Next question. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students at a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. How many got prize in your school? Okay, most of you got right. What are the items they give for prizes? Yes, in sports also they give, in games also they give. Here it is about academics, those who score high marks, what you call proficiency, first rank, second rank, third rank. Of course, some of you may say, what sir, we are not getting rank at all. Don't worry, try next time. Here there is a cash of 700 rupees. It should be given to 7 members, such that each gets 20 rupees more than the previous one, because the sixth one should get more than 20 rupees more than 7th one. 5th one should get 40 rupees more than 7th one, 20 rupees more than 6th one, like that. So, let us see how to work out. Question is, find the value of each of the prize. You have to find out the value of the prize. Okay, here SN is 700, total amount is 700, number of students is 7, each will get the difference of the two is minus 20. So, you have, let the first prize be A, second prize becomes A minus 20, third becomes A minus 40, and so on. Substitute in the formula, Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into d. So, A plus n is 7 minus 1 into d means minus 20. So, that will be equal to A minus 120 should be brought here. So, n by 2 into A plus A minus 120, that is Tn, and that is equal to n by 2 into 2A minus 120. If we take the 2 outside, we get it as n by 2 into 2 within brackets A minus 60. So, 2 cancels. So, n into A minus 60, is it not? So, in that number of prizes we know it, that is 7, that value is 7. So, that value you take it as 7. So, 7 into A minus 60. So, 7A minus 420, is it not? Is equal to Sn. What is Sn? 720, sorry 700. Sn is equal to 700. So, you have 7A is equal to, bring this side, 700 plus 420, you have 0, 2, 1, 1. A will be 7A is equal to 1120, is not? A will be 1120 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 70. So, first boy, highest score will get 160 rupees. Then others will follow. 160 minus 20, 140, minus 20, 120, minus 20, 100, minus 20, 80, minus 20, 60, minus 20, 40. Suppose you add all them, you must get 700. Okay, I will tell once again. First you write all the data given. Take first prize as A, then second prize becomes A minus 20, third is A minus 40. And the total cost of the prizes is 700. You have to give 7 prizes. Difference must be 20 rupees. First find out Tn. So, this is Tn. Tn is equal to A minus 120. Use that here. Sn equal to n by 2. A as usual. L, instead of L you write A minus 120. So, A plus A becomes 2A minus 120. So, take 2 outside. So, 2 to cancels, n into A minus 60. Value of n is known, 7. N is 7. So, 7 into A minus 60, 7A minus 420 is equal to 700 Sn. So, you have 7A is equal to 1120, is it not? And then divide that. 7A is equal to 1120 . So, A is equal to 1120 by 7, 160. So, 7 prizes. How many want get prize this time? Raise your hands. After learning this problem, you should also inspired to get prizes. Work hard, okay? So, like these are the 7 prizes and they will be given in front of all, right? So, you will get a kind of encouragement, okay? That is what all the schools will do. Now, we will pass on to next sum. Before that, we will see, we will check your mental ability. Find the odd man out. Here is one series of numbers. One of them is not in a sequence. What is that? You must tell. See here. Can you tell me? Check and tell me. Try. See, 9 minus 6 is 3. This is 6. This is 7. This is, see here, this difference is how much? 8, 48 you get, and this difference is 6, this difference is 3. So, 3, 6. So, what do you expect here? Come on, all of you can do it. So, 22 is the odd man out. It is not in series. So, what should be there actually? It will be 24. Is it not? So, this will be 24, but you are given as 22. So, that is mistake. So, okay, that is the first question. Take one more. Find out the last term. This term is missing. See this series. Any clue can make out? See the difference of each of them and check. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, answer is 38. Let us see why it is so. This difference is how much? 30, this difference is 60, this is 90, this is 120, and next must be 150. So 188 minus 150 becomes 38. Is it nice? You can also think of like this. Yesterday also I gave one type of that mental ability question. Is it nice? So you also think of that in that lines. And there is one question for the teacher, about the teacher. A teacher begins his class at 1:21 p.m. and ends it at 3:36 p.m. on the same afternoon, how many minutes long was the class? Sometimes you will be seeing the clock, still your sir is teaching, we think so. Sometimes you feel, if the lesson is nice, you feel, oh, so early the class is over. Here one teacher is teaching from 1:21 to 3:36. So what is the time taken? How many minutes he has talked? Anybody? Try. Before that you must know 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Is it not? So in that calculation you must do it, and answer will be 135 minutes. Means 1 hour 15 minutes. How do you got it? 336 is 36 minutes plus 60 minutes, 96 minutes plus 60 minus 21. Add all the three, you get 135 minutes. Okay, just for a change we gave this one. Now we will see what Baba says. Baba's quotation we will see. This is a rally song actually, told in front of Swami. Bal Vikas rally was there, international Bal Vikas rally. Thousands of students were participated. Our school also participated. He also sing with me. Time is precious, act is gracious, the world so vicious, let's be cautious. Once again, time is precious, act is gracious, the world so vicious, let's be cautious. Cautious means you must be careful. Vicious means world is full of problems. Is it not? So act is gracious means whatever you do, you should do with a joy, with respect. Duty is God. And time is very, very precious. So this is from a Bal Vikas song sung in front of Swami in Puttaparthi. Okay. Now we will come to home assignment. Very simple questions. Which term of AP is 100, 95, 90, 85, ... is minus 25? Which term you must tell? That means you must find out n. Nth term of AP is given by Tn equals A plus Bn. Show that it is in AP, find its first term and common difference. First term means A, you must find out. Common difference means D, you must find out. Okay, these are the home assignment. Third one, find the sum of the first 100 odd natural numbers. Okay, come prepared. Thank you.